Here we go. SWAT Team 1 of Rwanda.
Yes. SWAT Team
Don't
1
blink.
from Rwanda. Twagarutse.
Kazakhstan beats time of 3:38.2 is the time to beat. These are the current record holders of the obstacle
SWAT
course.
Team 1 Rwanda.
Every year
Amateka, reka
They
twandike
set this
amateka.
final day on fire.
SWAT Team 1 twagiye. Here we go.
through the attic,
Rwanda.
over the horse jump. Football, keep an eye on the clock. Face down for the anchor man. Here's the human ladder. Thousands of you have been waiting, not just those of you
Reka turebe
who
ko
are
aba
in
basore
Kigali
baza
right now
gukuraho
watching.
abandi agahigo, nicyo dutegereje ubundi.
What time is it there?
Ni SWAT Team
Oh, don't even
1,
bother answering
SWAT
it.
Team
It's
1,
not important.
RNP SWAT Team 1.
Sandpit, cargo nets, they're zipping along. SWAT Team 1 of Rwanda.
Ni SWAT Team 1 yo mu Rwanda iri gukoresha umuvuduko
3:46,
uteye
they blew
ubwoba,
everyone
kira ngo
away.
murimo murabibona.
With that time last year,
This is Rwanda.
3:38 though, they've got it better this year. If they want to be crowned the Day 5 winners. There's one, there's another. Don't think even the judges can keep up with them. We've gone over the 2-minute mark.
Iminota imaze kuba 2. Turashaka kureba ko bashobora gukuraho abakoze iminota mike cyane kubera ko bakoze iminota 3 n'amasegonda make cyane.
To finish the barrel
Dushaka
roll.
kureba rero ko Abanyarwanda bashobora kubikora kuri iyi isaha.
The others are already sprinting ahead. Ting-a-ling. Fireman
Fast
Tower.
basore bacu vuba
Water
cyane
splash. The
rwose.
pipe. There's another that's
Yes,
slipping
vuba
through
rwose
there
nkuko
like a
murimo
fish.
murabibona.
His momentum carrying him all the way.
Iminota abasore bari kwihuta cyane
of the
rwose,
team
ariko
have
harimo
turned
n'abari
the
kunanirwa,
corner
ariko turimo
to
turabikora
head
neza
for home.
rwose.
We've just crossed the 3-minute mark. 3:38.2 is the time to beat. If anyone can do it, SWAT Team 1 of Rwanda can. Rope swing.
Reka turebe ko
Irish
SWAT Team
table.
1 Rwanda ibikora. Harabura amasegonda
The wood
makeya.
wall.
Harabura amasegonda
across the
makeya.
line.
Harabura
Oh,
amasegonda
this is going to be
makeya.
tight.
Team
10
Rwanda harabura
seconds
amasegonda
if they want to
makeya.
beat Kazakh B. Up and over, they haul him. It's not going to be. They're narrowly going to miss out. 3 minutes 40.9 for SWAT Team 1 of Rwanda. A shake of the head
tubuze ngo dukureho iyi
as
kipe
they
yabaye
collapse
iya mbere ariyo
across the finish
Kazidi.
line. Whew. Wow. They still go quicker than the 3:46 of last year. Now it's the turn of China C. Welcome back,
各位观众
Danny Chen.
接下来出场的中国 C 队来自我们江苏队。好，开始，动作非常的一致，非常的迅速，游程漂亮，加油 ！Remember the word， 加油
加油
！Yes， 很好，触碰上面的铃铛，帮队友一把，拖一把。很细心的把铃铛拍下去，方便队友更短时间内能够拍响那个铃铛。 这就是团队配合。游神过去漂亮，人体已经开始一个一个搭好，这就是效率啊，这就是配合，这就是我说的团队精神。拍铃铛很好。第4个队员趴到顶的同时，我们最后一位冲刺，哇，这个衔接非常的漂亮，加油江苏队，加油！哦，流畅，一个接一个，不停，往上走，加油！滑杆都下来，安稳过独木桥，上下都在黄色区域，稳当，单杠。一把能跨2个杆，沙坑，已经第2位队员已经出了沙坑，跳过绳网，漂亮，纵身一跃，漂亮，大家看到没有？好的队伍在这个单绳桥这里都是牵着绳子往上跑的，往前跑的，厉害，加油加油！已经来到了滚筒区。咬牙坚持，咬牙坚持。好，一位队友过关，第2位队员过关，教练尽快帮忙复位这个滚筒。教练也辛苦。好的，第3位，第4位在进行中，第5位已经开始了。加油！非常好，顺利过关。哇，看见我们现场的中国观众们有多热情来支持。游神上，哦，奋身一跃冲入水里啊！大家看到溅起的水花啊！你看我们的队形保持得很紧密的，争分夺秒啊！这个配合真的是非常的好。第1位队员已经来到秋千绳这里了，过去没问题。第2位，漂亮。第3位，漂亮。已经开始翻滚木了。现场的小朋友，你们要喊起来加油！现场的小朋友们大声一点，为这些在奋力拼搏的叔叔们加油啊！最后一位秋千绳过，漂亮，冲起来，冲起来！现在要冲起来了，加油加油！好的，我们最后一位队员已经到板墙，咬牙坚持，咬牙坚持，胜利就在前面，来，一起走走，冲，跑起跑起跑起！漂亮，南京队3分40秒156，漂亮。我们江苏队目前成绩3分40秒。